Hello everybody, welcome to this admob video. This video we're gonna take a look on how to add some admob into our Flutter app, Android, not iOS. Next time we will do one for iOS. So I'll post a link down below. So first you go to admob, you go to install, you copy this one, which I've already done it. Which I've already done under dependency, this one, and then you have to copy this one also, which I've done. This is it, and then let's go back to readme. So from here you have to initialize the plugin. This is it. And this is a plugin that I've initialized, and I have to write in widget flutter binding ensure initialize. So I have to just put this one so that it will make it work. And then here they talk about your app ID, so we will do that later. And then from here you scroll down, you have to copy this metadata. You go to your manifest. This is it, I've done. This is the one here. Sometimes you might put it down here, which is still okay, but I've decided to put it up here. So this is it. So here you put your ID, here your application ID. So let's move forward, and again make sure you read the documentation, and then you copy this one first for banner. As you can see here, this is my first one for banner app. From here, this is the banner app, and then next is an interstitial app. You copy it, and this is it here, as you can see. And then what next? Again, they have some few things that you have to do. They say admob must be loaded before the array shown. So you have to copy this one first for banner. This is it that I've put here. This is the banner first, and then the second one you put this one, interstitial, and this is it that I've copied. So now let's create our app ID. This is already created a new admob account just like Google. So I'll have to get started. My app is already on App Store, or have you published your app on Google Play? I will say no. So I will say Android, and then this is the app. This is my app name. So let me look at it very well. From here, this is my app name. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna write it Amazonian. So that's my app name. Even though this app is already on App Store. So, but I will just say my app is not on App Store. So I'll go with it, but let me see, go back. If I like, okay, let me say it's yes. Let me say go back. Let me say have you published your app on Google Play Store? Okay, I will say yes. Okay, let me see, and then find your app on Google Play Store. Because this app has already been published. So I'll just type, okay, let me just put Amazonian, because this app have already been published. So let me search for it. Let me just it is free. So this is the app. So okay, let me just click here, add, and then let me see, and then okay, from here, this is my app ID. So my app was already on Google Play, so this is my app ID. So I'm going to copy this one, and then I'll come here, and then I'll remove all of this. And then I'll go over here, and then I'll remove this one, app ID. You must put this one. This is the app ID. So let me run the app right now and see how things work. Let's give it a few seconds and take a look at it. So from there, and some of the things you can decide to take out some of these. They are not really meaningful, but I will just allow it. Bedtime, you can decide to take out this one, it will still be the same. Here, add unit banner, so we have to add it here. Firebase code not found, so sometimes it used to behave like that. So let's see before we can continue. And don't forget, when you upload it from here, it should be 60. Just put the 0, 0, so that when you upload, everything will just be okay. This app is already on Google Play Store, so here's the app here, Amazon history. Sufficient space, sufficient storage. So there's the app. So let's see if we have our ad there. because by now it's supposed to appear. Listen, so this is our test app. This is an interstitial test app. So I'll close it. You see, nice job. So this is the way you add it. So from here we can proceed. Let us go back to our admob. So from here now we can create this one. I will do it later now. Create add unit. We'll begin with banner add. Right there. Banner add dash Android. So just right there, and then I'll click create. So from here we already copy this one. We will copy this one. From here we'll copy this this one banner, and then we'll put it here. We'll take out this one. From here we'll copy it. We're gonna take out we'll remove all this one, and then we'll put this, we'll copy this one here, and then after we click done, from there again we have to do the same with our interstitial. From here we'll remove all this one. After remove this one, we have to put our double quotation, which is not necessary, after removing this one, this is what we have to put before we copy our ID, we paste it inside here. So that is what you have to do. You have to follow. So this is just a simple step. You copy all this one. It is here as I've already explained it. You copy all this one. If you want to use the both add banner, you copy all this, and then you have to put this one also. So you have to copy the metal. So you remove it like the way I've done it here. You put it here. So guys, that is how we do admob. This is nice job. This is your test. So now when I want to upload it on Google Play, what I'm gonna do is I'll just allow that banner, and then I'll just remove. And I'll remove this one. Sorry, I'm just gonna remove this one, and then I place my app. So that is how it is. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video. Until then guys, take care, stay safe, and see you.